What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254. It's raining outside. I ain't feel like going in the garage, so here we are in the man cave. So I wanted to show y'all what I got. We got another package. Y'all might have seen it in the live when I got it out the mailbox. Let's open it up. You can see exactly what we got, what we working with. Let me get it open for you. Alrighty, so inside of this package, it came from eBay, as you can see. It's 3 smaller packages. I'm gonna show you how they go together. Let me get them all opened up and I'll cut you back on. Shout out to Sprayway. Alright, so as you can see here, got the LS R4 AC compressor bracket. This is for the box Chevy. We got your rear, we got your main bracket, and as you can see, I mean, this is a very nice quality machined looking gadget that we have here. You got a rear support bracket B, which is going to be, let me see, it looks like this is the rear support bracket B, you know what I mean? And then you got your rear support bracket C. So I'm not gonna drag out through step by step, but let me piece this together right quick and I'll cut you back on. Alright, so as you can see, I kind of got it coming together a little bit. Let me show y'all. On the eBay listing, it calls for a certain part number for a tensioner. The tensioner is not included. You had to buy that separately. Of course, you know I work at the parts store or whatever, so what I did, I cross-referenced the part number and I picked up the tensioner, which will mount right here. So as you can see, the tensioner goes on there like so. And then let's see, which one is this? I believe this is the 4.5. There's only 3 bolts left. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking at. So it's a 4.5 to go through there, along with one of the 1.425 inch spaces that's gonna be going into this one right here. So let me finish putting this together and I'll cut you back on. Shout out to Sprayway. Alright, so I think we pretty much got it together the way it's supposed to do. I mean, you just followed the directions. I was just trying to give y'all an idea of what it's gonna look like. Of course, it's pretty much 2 bolts right there. Those is going into the block or the head or wherever they're supposed to go. The same thing with these 2. And then from there, you can pretty much see the compressor is tied, is mounted through screws 1, 2, and 3. And then your tensioner, of course, well, it's on there. It's probably about the only thing that's mounted and in the position that it's gonna be in. So Like I said, it looks good. Shit, we'll have to get it all put together once we um get the compressor, man. I'm not finna rush and put it on there if I ain't even got no compressor. But yeah, once I get the compressor, I go out there and get it put on the car, and I'll make a video on that too. But you also need a belt that is, I believe we use the listing set for a Dayco belt. I found the equivalent through O'Reilly's Parts K061037. It's 104 and a 1/4 inch long. So this is the belt that it calls for. So we should be in there, man. Top mount AC. The AC compressor, like I said, it's R4 compressor, man. So it's gonna be coming off of it basically is coming off of that box Caprice that we had in the yard. And that compressor will mount in there. Not that exact one, because we're going with a new compressor. But that way, we be one step closer to the AC blowing snowballs. So, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, man. Y'all can see. If y'all interested, man, let me know. I think the bracket set was like 140. The tensioner was like another 50. So I mean, you right at 200. Then you another 100 for the compressor, whatever, man. Then after you get your accumulator dry and all that shit, I mean, you might be close to like $300. You know what I'm saying? So, I think this is it looks good. Like I said, I seen it on my partner shit. I really haven't seen a lot of people using it. I really haven't seen no videos on it. So, I guess I want to be the first to make the video on the LSR4 compressor bracket, AC compressor bracket. Like I said, company is out of let me look on the box. Company's out of Florida, man, Naples. So shout out to Fax Auto Parts. You know what I'm saying? Did a great job wrapping the product. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful product, man. It really looks good. So, not that we was going for like anything show looking under the hood, but it looks to be a well-made bracket, and it's going to accommodate, for what we're trying to do. So, this is let me see. So yeah, man, I'm excited. Get this on the car, get our AC. After I get the AC compressor, man, we'll get this mounted on the car, get the compressor on there, get the belt ran, and then just go from there. And then you'll see how it all come together. Then pretty much AC lines, Freon, and shit, we should have some air conditioning in the box. So one step closer to getting on the road, because boy, it is hot in Texas, and this is a must. So it's your boy LSR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about it. Life is all about choice to choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And the newest one, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, LSR254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.